Alak Pandey, who's with us, is a very well-known digital personality, very, very famous YouTuber, but more importantly, the founder and CEO of Physics Wala. And he's also filed his own petition in this. A lot of people, Alak, were very happy to see you in the court. What are you fighting on behalf of? What do you feel has happened? Is there a scam, first of all? Is there a NEET scam?
Definitely, I'll call it a NEET scam. So,
There is a NEET scam.
yeah, definitely, I'll think so.
What is the scam?
So the scam is the inflation in the ranks. So let me give you an example that will illustrate everything. So there is a score 640 out of 720, which I am not talking about 720 out of 720. That has been talked.
Yeah.
I'm talking about the score of 640 out of 720. That is a decent score. We celebrate that score every year. A student gets a decent rank.
with that.
You get a government medical college with that score. So year 2021, at a score of 640, you get a all India rank 6,000. Next year you get 7,000 rank. 2022. Next year the rank was 10,000. Okay, a bit of inflation.
score.
Yeah, a bit of inflation is always there because
Students getting better or the system is changing?
number of students are adding on every year.
Okay.
The competition is getting bigger and the seats are not increasing proportionately. So that is one problem. Let's leave that problem for now. Now, this year the number of students have increased by 20%. Okay. So what do you expect this rank to be? At a score of 640, 2021 6,000, 22 7,000, 23 10,000. What it will be? 14, 15, 20,
12,000, 13,000.
let us say 25,000. The real rank comes out to be 40,000. Now
With
this,
that, you can't get through.
with that you cannot get
Till
through.
what number can you get through?
It changes year on year. So
Approximately.
earlier, last year, it was close to like 605 or 610. 605 to 610. It varies
Is
from
the score,
state
is
to
the
state.
score required to get through?
Is a score required to get through a government medical college where the fee is cheaper, जहाँ पे सस्ती पढ़ाई होती है. But if you go to like a private medical college, the fees is high and then you can get at a very lower score. So अपने भारत में बच्चा जो गरीब है जिसके पास पैसा नहीं है, those who don't have money, they prefer government medical college.
स्कैम क्या हुआ? मतलब मैंने सुना है कि इधर ऐसे 65-67 स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिनको 720 में से 720 मार्क्स मिल गए और उन सबको ऑल इंडिया रैंक नंबर 1 मिला. तो पहला सवाल ये है कि हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल दैट देयर बी 67 स्टूडेंट्स हु आर टॉपिंग इंडिया?
Right?
How is it possible that you can have an exam in which it's mathematically impossible that you get 720 out of 720? Is it possible?
With NT, everything is possible right now.
No, not as a joke. Seriously, is it possible?
See, it's practically seems impossible. They have given the clarification that there was a controversial question where the answer was different in the old NCERT and the new NCERT, and they have updated that answer. So that only gives extra 4 or 5 marks to a kid. So earlier that kid was on 715 or 716.
But there are 8 candidates who have scored All India Rank 1 who are from the same exam center in Haryana
Yeah, there are 6
with their sequence numbers being the same.
Yeah. So that is a case of.
That's startling.
That is a case of Jhajjar Center.
ये कैसे हो गया?
No one can explain how this has happened, but NT has explained somehow. So NT has said that at this center, there was a time loss of candidates. They faced the time loss, so the paper was distributed a bit late. There was some confusion. So they awarded grace marks. And they awarded so much grace marks that a student can score 720 out of 720. And never in the history of NEET they have given grace marks. This is the first time they have given grace marks. But they never declared it openly. And what basis you have given the grace marks? Was there is provision of grace marks? नहीं, ऐसा कोई provision उनकी बुकलेट में नहीं है. उनकी बुकलेट में लिखा है किसी सेंटर पे टाइम लॉस होता है तो या तो टाइम दे दें एक्स्ट्रा या रीटेस्ट करा ले. There is no provision of giving grace marks और इस ईयर दिया. और दिया तो बताया भी नहीं कि
तो अभी तो ये अनफेयर हो गया ना. सी
हाँ.
जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट has said sanctity. देखिए now my concern is अब there'll be a lot of students saying हमको सीट मिल रही है हमें दे दीजिए हम पर नाइंसाफी मत कीजिए. We should be given. There will be many other who will say that there is a problem.
Yes.
If you are acknowledging that there is a problem in NEET, but on the basis of that exam you are also allocating medical colleges, are you being fair? At the same time, I don't know what to do this evening. And my question is, should the NEET counseling be put on hold? Viewers, counseling is a process, you can explain it. Counseling is a process when you pass the exam. What is counseling?
So counseling is what rank you are getting, and at that rank, what college you will get. So you have
Who
to.
does the counseling?
So NTA will do the counseling.
The NTA will. So they just उनको काम खत्म करना है.
Yeah, they want to wrap it up. They don't want to highlight these issues.
What do you think? Should it be put on hold? Counseling?
Definitely, that is what my PL is about. The counseling should be put on hold. There
What
should
happens
be a
to all the
committee.
students who would be expecting a rank? What will they do? Sit at home?
See, I think our country is capable of finishing off this whole report investigation in 7 days. And for 7 days, you can put on hold if the future of a lot of students is put on stake. So you can do it overnight.
But if they find there's a scam, If tomorrow CBI investigates this, finds there's a scam, there are 2-3 people who are leaders in the scam, somebody's made money, then?
So there is a legitimate FIR in the Patna Shastri Nagar
I
station.
know, but what happens after that? The whole exam system is put on hold.
If there is a paper leak, you have to conduct re-exam because that is a precedent of
You think there is a
2015.
paper leak?
I don't think so. There is a whole FIR in the Shastri Nagar police station explaining the series of incident by the cop Arun Kumar. It's on there in the internet. It's an original document, and they have claimed.
Do you feel, controversial question, is there a role of coaching centers in this?
I cannot deny that, but I cannot admit
What
that.
do you think is the role of coaching centers? Because ये भी बहुत बड़ी business है आज.
Yeah.
It's a huge business nowadays, right?
Yeah.
अब इतना बड़ा scam करने के लिए लोगों के पास people must have that kind of money, that kind of resources, right?
I think
Ordinary student cannot carry out a scam.
I think there is a lot of mafias around this who collect money from the parents and do it independently, and they are traditionally called in UP and Bihar by the name setters. In South, they are called as the name of what is that, consultant. And this is a whole syndicate that has been established. It's a formal syndicate. Everyone knows about it. There is a paper leak. There is a person sitting for another person known as impersonation, solver strategy. It's all been there. And I have not seen any coaching linkage yet. But of course, there is a possibility. There's
You know,
always-
my
never happened in
today, Bhumi is saying she was at the center where there was mismanagement.
True.
Will Bhumi also get grace marks?
No, everyone who goes to High Court files a petition will get a
So
grace
so
marks.
Bhumi,
Yes.
Bhumi has to get a lawyer. Bhumi has to go to her
No,
parents.
not anymore.
No,
The
I'm
time
saying
has expired.
No. But then it's wrong. No, I mean, everybody has gone through a chaotic experience, but only 1,500 students have got grace marks.
True.
And some of them have taken their score over 718.
720, they got full
720.
score, 6 students.
Then it's an unfair examination.
It's
I mean, then it
completely
makes no
unfair.
sense anymore.
True.
It's a fraud on the entire system. No, but
And
you know,
whatever
there's an established system here, I'm told, because one of the people who has been arrested in Patna is a known sort of, he's a middleman.
Yeah.
And he also has been caught in one more case, UPSC case?
Bihar State.
Bihar Public Service Commission case. He's a professional leaker.
Yeah, there are a lot like him. People know them by name. People know the syndicate. No one takes action.
What do you mean there are a lot like him?
There are a lot like them. Like the one you mentioned there is in Bihar. The similar one is in UP. Similar one is in Bangalore. There are state-wise mafias. They are called setters. They are called like consultants. And this
What
is
is
a
our
whole
system
syndicate.
doing here? Like?
For the last 7 days, I have been going
This
to
is
channels.
absolute injustice.
Going to
If I'm not wrong,
One
I've
of-
got these marks.
One of these 6 candidates who scored 720 out of 720 was somehow part of our app only because
Okay.
we teach at minimum price, so a lot of students enroll. And we checked his score throughout the year. It was 630, 640, 630, 640. I called him in the office. I asked him, you cannot score 720. Tell me the truth. He said, sir, I didn't attempt one question even. I left one question.
Didn't attempt one question.
Please, let me just add one point.
So got
Out of
grace
the
marks.
67
No, he was scoring 660. He told me, I came back from the examination, I calculated, it was 660. And finally, I got 720. I, sir, don't know how.
So he's All India rank holder number one.
One, yes. And he left one question in the examination.
He left one question.
Yes.
This is madness.
This is madness. This is not the proof that is the answer efficiency is right.
How is he feel? He would not be feeling great about it either.
His family is not feeling great about it. They are saying that we are hiding like some thieves or something. We haven't done anything
So
incorrect.
that's a problem. They also can't celebrate this. He would have got through anyway.
See, I don't know whether he is telling the truth or lying.
No, but
that's
I mean,
that's
but
another point.
720 is a crazy score.
It's a crazy number.
What's the highest score you've heard? 720? Like,
It's the highest score, 720 out of 720. That's
no,
complete
what do
score.
people usually get?
Usually 1 or 2 kids get 720 every year.
1 or 2?
1 or 2.
And this year?
Never greater
This
than
year?
3. This year 67.
Rank. What happens to the genuine students? How many positions are there in the All India Institute of Medical Sciences?
So if you talk about
How many
Seats.
MBBS seats are there
1,000.
Huh?
1,000.
in AIMS?
1,000.
no,
1,000.
AIMS Delhi, it's like general category seats are only 46.
So only 46 seats
Delhi.
under general category in AIMS Delhi.
The complete seats for MBBS is 1 lakh. Out of those, only 40,000 are government medical colleges where the fee is low. Remaining 60,000 cost like 1 crore or 1.5 crore for 5 years. Student cannot afford it.
And how many people can afford a crore?
Most of the students are fighting for those 40,000 ranks. And
Yeah.
even if you give, let us say, even if you give 50 seats out of these 40,000 for these grace number, this is unfair. For
Yeah.
another 50 students who won't get this seat.
Yeah.
एक झूठ में पता चलता है आदमी चोरी किया नहीं किया तो एलटी ने इसमें सारे हम चोरी किया और
You agree?
अगर कोई सर्विस में
There's a
कोई
point.
नौकरी में कोई धांधली होता है तो सर इतना बड़ा देश का
NTA
क्षति नहीं होता
एक
है?
आशीष जी
क्षति
एक
कब
मिनट,
होता है?
आशीष जी एक मिनट, ये हमारे बैठे हैं, आप जानते होंगे इनको, अलग पांडे है फिजिक्स वाला के, मैं इनसे पूछना चाहूंगा।
तो
आप
एकदम जानते हैं सर,
हाँ,
फिजिक्स वाला के हेड है सर।
आप जानते हैं ना इन्हें, तो ये आप क्या ये कुछ कहना चाहते हैं आपको आशीष जी?
तो देर इज
आप डायरेक्टली आशीष जी
बहुत वैलिड पॉइंट है जो सब मिस कर रहे हैं। 5 मई को नीट की परीक्षा हुई, एनटीए ने इसके बाद एक प्रेस नोट अपनी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पर लगाया जिसमें लिखा कि राजस्थान के सवाई माधोपुर सेंटर में पेपर में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम हुई थी, बाद में कंडक्ट कराया। उक्त सेंटर को छोड़ के, इस सेंटर को छोड़ के पूरे इंडिया के 4750 सेंटर बचे हुए सेंटर्स पे टाइम पे एग्जाम हुआ है।
गलत बात है, मैं कह रहा हूं पिटिशनर जो है तेलंगाना और आंध्र प्रदेश से हैं और उन्होंने कहा है कि वेरिएंस हुई है इन द ग्रांट ऑफ ग्रेस मार्क्स आल्सो। नाउ देयर इज अ फाइट over who should get a grace mark, and they are right in saying there is no defined logic. They have drawn the court's attention to statistically impossible marks, including 67 students getting 720 of 720.
Yes.
So for them to say राजस्थान के एक सेंटर को छोड़ के कहीं नहीं हुई, वो गलत है।
वही मैं बता रहा हूं।
क्योंकि
वो पलट गए।
झज्जर की भी
वो
खबर
पलट गए ना, वही तो बता रहा हूं। 5 मई को एग्जाम के बाद उन्होंने ये बोला किस
Correct.
बेसिस पे कि हम सीसीटीवी फुटेज का लाइव व्यूइंग करते हैं कंट्रोल सेंटर से, एक एक सेंटर के एक एक रूम का। और उसके बाद 6 जून को वो बोलते हैं कि नहीं हमारे पास हाईकोर्ट से जब फाइल आती है तो हम चेक करते हैं तो हम पाते हैं 6 सेंटर्स के अंदर टाइम का लॉस हुआ है। व्हाट इज दिस?
इट्स नॉनसेंस।